Well, I'm in a fucking closet. I can't hear myself. No, sir. Checking a choke. Choking a chicken. Fucking your dickin'. Shaking the bacon. I baked my dick. I still can't hear myself, bro. I hear some feedback, kinda. Up. There it is. That is a tasty groove. Yeah, for sure. Well, it's kind of lonely in here, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at that. A gun. Now I'm packing heat. So, anybody wants to fuck with my shit? We going down. Oh my god, this bitch is loaded. Holy shit. Oh, and it's got the cocking feature. I got a cocking feature for you. God damn it. Okay, let's go ahead and put that back out. Yep. Oh man, I think I should put on a little more deodorant today. It's a steam fest in here. Oh boy. How's the charts out there? I think it's guaranteed that I'm gonna take off my pants right now. I am sweating like a son of a bitch. I have a nice dew on the outer rim of my ball sack. And, I don't know if anybody heard me before, but I baked my dick earlier, so I got no hair to soak it up. So I'm gonna need a cloth. Let's see. Oh boy. Oh, there's a fire fucking thing in here. In case I start a small fire. So I'm just gonna light up a cigarette right now. There we go. That is delicious. Well, I'm coming out.